Hello, I'm Claire Boland and I'm a career coach and a trainer in professional development here at TSE with over 15 years experience, and I'm doing a series of workshops for the TSE alumni to enable you to improve your own professional development. These workshops can be done in either English or in French. The first workshop is stress management, and the reason why I've chosen this is because we will all undergo stress either in our professional or personal lives. So the sooner we start to talk about it and how to actually manage it, the better it is for us in the long run. So salary negotiation can feel really daunting. A lot of us really do not like the idea of talking about money. But studies show that people who negotiate their salary right from the beginning can earn up to over $500,000 more throughout their whole career. So it really is worth trying to negotiate your salary. So my last one is conflict management. Why conflict? Is because something that we have difficulty with because we don't know how to handle it, and it makes us feel very uncomfortable. This could potentially mean that we miss out on opportunities at work and mishandle and misread certain situations. So these workshops are to help you be as productive as possible and get ahead of the competition. So if you'd like to improve your own personal and professional development, don't hesitate to sign up.